In the previous episodes, we used straight lines to predict outcomes. Linear regression works well when the relationship between variables is approximately linear. But many real-world problems are far more complex. Tree growth does not increase by the same amount every year. Each year the tree grows faster than the year before. Many natural phenomena, including plant growth, population changes, and chemical reactions, follow curved patterns instead of straight lines. Instead of forcing a straight line through the data, polynomial regression allows the model to bend and follow nonlinear relationships. This often produces a much better fit. Polynomial regression extends linear regression by adding higher-order terms such as x squared and x cubed. These additional features allow the model to represent curved relationships while still learning from data. The highest power in the equation is called the degree. Degree 2 bends once. Like this parabola, higher degrees allow more and more bends. Here is a new dataset. The distance a racing car has traveled over time. During training, the algorithm searches for the set of coefficients that minimizes prediction error. As the coefficients change, the curve adapts until it best represents the observed data. But adding too many polynomial terms can create a model that memorizes the training data instead of learning the underlying pattern. This problem is known as overfitting, and it often leads to poor predictions on new data. The cure is discipline. Keep the model as simple as the data allows, and always judge it on data it has never seen. Linear regression is simple and effective for straight-line relationships. Polynomial regression provides greater flexibility by modeling curves. It is a better choice when the relationship between variables is nonlinear. Let's recap. Many relationships are curved, not straight. Adding x squared and x cubed terms lets the model bend. Training still minimizes error, but too much flexibility memorizes noise. That's overfitting. Polynomial regression is widely used wherever curved relationships occur. Engineers, scientists, economists, and healthcare researchers rely on it to model complex systems more accurately than a straight line can. So far, our models have predicted continuous values such as scores, heights, and temperatures. But what if the answer isn't a number? In the next episode, we'll discover logistic regression and learn how machines classify data into categories.